are making a racket over there.
From behind our side, not the front, I take off the lid. And smoke them down under the inner cover. Now try to smoke them down off the tops of the frames.
Get downwind of them.
And that might have been too much, but we'll see.
What would happen if you put marijuana in that smoke?
And then I take out the edge right now.
Look at Abigail Miller go. She's a real crikey. Reaching in with her bare hands. Crikey.
And this is a brand new frame. Which
Brand new frame.
they're not doing anything on yet.
They're not doing anything on yet.
Rats, I didn't remember there were two with nothing. Oh well. And a third frame.
You got a dead one on there.
They don't seem that angry for being, you know.
They're pretty noisy.
Can you hear them?
Yeah.
What a disappointment.
They've just started on the third frame, and I'm going to turn that one around so the part they've done is on the outside to encourage them to work on the inside part of it. Don't get squashed, bees.
Oh! There goes a bee.
Frames apart that night to look at them, and they've already started sticking together. Well, this one's much heavier. That one's,
will you look at that?
that one's
mate?
full of brood, and I don't know. There's some. There's cat brood, and there's pollen, and
Cat poo?
cat brood and pollen. I don't see any eggs in that one, and all that orange is pollen.
Never had cat poo and pollen before.
And I don't
good.
see the queen there, but I might not be able to spot her. I don't see any eggs.
I would really expect them to be totally just freaking out all over the place. They were just kind of hanging out on the mat. They were just like, hey, what's up?
Boy, they really stick their frames together though. Ooh, this one's...
That's the money, honey. Crikey, that's money pouring off your finger.
Ooh, whoa. Toss it like a frisbee to see what happens.
Guys, if you're in here on the bottom there, you better move because...
You got a couple. He's squished. Oh, that guy's dead. Oh, it's just a leg.
There's some carrying honey still. And
I bet the queen's under that pile there on the left.
she's got a long black abdomen.
That's my kind of girl.
I don't see her. Man, this one's heavy.
Crikey, look at the bulge in that one's pants. Got that little guy a little excited.
He's full of honey. He's full of honey and vinegar.
I don't see her there. I might not recognize her.
Where's my baby?
Now they're getting a little excited.
Must be getting close to home.
There she is. I think, although she's a big one with the black, she looks a little bigger anyway. She's all by herself though. Right there.
Oh. Oh.
See, she's longer. And has a kind of, no wait, but there's this one. Okay.
The competition is fierce.
One of them could be a drone.
I see it. I see another one. Right.
That queen is shaking. She's trying to get a mate.
I don't know, those might both be drones because at least one of them had a kind of a blunt tail tip. And the queen's supposed to be pointed.
You get a little active around here, Abigail.
She's supposed to have a retinue of worker bees, you know, surrounding her, which I didn't notice that she had. Some honey is dripping out of some of these because I've got honey on the
Oh, I see it.
top bars.
I'm so tempted to dab my finger in it and eat it.
Go for it.
I'm scared.
Can't have courage without fear.
Is there something on the bottom that'll collect it if it starts dripping down? Or does that not
They'll
normally
just
happen?
clean it up.
Whoa.
Well, look at all that honey in there.
Dude, they're running. They're like, hey, we're going downhill.
There's another big one right there. I can't tell. That one looks like a drone with a blunt tip. Okay, I'm reaching too far. I have to go around to the other side. And where's my smoker? Here it is. Just
Steve, give her back her smoker. Okay, we're going to take off because we don't want to get stung.
ninth frame has just a few bees on my foundation, and the 10th frame is new foundation that we put in. Look at it. So I didn't see the queen. All back together now. I will baby. Okay, guys. As you are, go about your business. Okay.